Kinder 1. Consonant sounds and letter. Consonant sounds. Consonant sounds are made by blocking air using your teeth, tongue, or lips. Consonant letters. Consonant letters are all the other letters in the alphabet that are not vowels, such as B, D, G, N, R, S, and T. Say the beginning consonant sound in the word pad. Pa. Your lips come together to block air to make the sound. When we blend C, A, T together, we get the word cat. Question. Put the sounds in order and create the word. Look at the picture and guess the word. Mug. M U G. The answer is mug.